Hi, this is Numbulwar Sport and Rex. We are playing here today, and we are all the kids inside enjoying the day.
My name is Antonio, and I'm the newest Puran Red Cat at Numbulwar, and we love to have Charlie here to teach our kids to be here, all the stuff.
Hi, my name's Jack. I'm a new working staff here in Numbulwar for Sports and Recreation. Got Charlie here, which is really good. I'd love to have Charlie to come along maybe some other time as well, because he's a good mentor, and he teaches us to how to set up for activities and other stuff, so which is really good. We get some great experience and ideas of him.